Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to draw in other canvas but mini size. So now I have 5 brushes like this. Very big, a bit medium. Now like this. Now a bit like tipped one and another one small. So now I'm going to do a bit like evening day drawing. So I have the same colors which I used in before video. We need the colors are red and yellow. Now again I am going to use this as my palette colors. Now we need orange color, so I am going to mix these two colors, red and yellow. Now guys, I couldn't make orange color. I have mixed, but it came as peach color. That's why I take from my palette over here. I take from my palette. After that, now for the morning painting, like evening, I'm going to give red first at the top to say as well. So you could see something sticking over there. It's only sellotape to make it more beautiful after I remove it. Wait, let me give the color red to it. If you are using canvas, you must not use water in your painting while you are doing. See, I have gave this red color to it, and see the side I have missed it. So if there was no sellotape, so it will be like messed up. So that's why I kept sellotape to make this painting into more beautiful. So next, let's give the orange color. Now I have gave the orange color. Now I have to give is all only yellow color. Now I get this into the 3 structures. Now I have to mix it up with. So now I have to mix it. So I'm going to use white color, acrylic colors. Now I give the shade with white color. Now we have black color to give the trees. So I took this thinner brush so it will not spread anywhere. Now I gave like a little bit spread over here, so next tree may not come like that. So I need to go up to here. So I started to go up to this leg. Sorry for cutting. If you had a mistake in your drawing that you can't erase, make that mistake into a masterpiece. Like now I did know this came like a big root like this, but I changed it into a big tree. going to do like grass over here. Now I did that grass, trees and the sky. Now I'm thinking what to do with the sky. Now I'm going to draw the crows which are flying to their home. Okay. Now I'm going to draw the crow. Sorry guys for pausing the video because my camera blurred, that's why. Guys, this is the end of the drawing. Do you like it? If you like it, please click the like button and you can comment how this is. Rate this up to 1 to 5, please. So, do you like it? Now let me take off this cello tape. Guys, this is how it will look after I take this cello tape. Sorry guys for blurring. Sorry guys for the blurring. Now could you see? Now this is how it looks after I remove the cello tape. And this is my first time drawing a daytime because when I try, it will be flopped. As I said, as I will put as video, it came like something. Do you like it? Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.